cool tech you need for under $40. What I'm unboxing here is newyescentificcalculator. This calculator is amazing for the price and you should definitely check it out to buy. Once you open the box, you're greeted with the user's manual and the calculator itself. The user's manual has a full description on how to use the calculator. Don't worry, because the calculator feels exactly like another one and is great for those tests that you do when you use a calculator. What's so special about this calculator though is it comes with a pen. So when that one teacher is teaching too fast, you can take notes like this on the screen. There's also a button at the top to erase all the content that you have written. And don't worry, because if there's students in your class that are annoying and want to delete your content, there's a switch at the top, so when you click the button, it won't erase anything. Overall, I think you guys should check this out because it's a great addition for your school and studying. And because it's the same price as a normal calculator, I definitely think you should get it. The link is in my bio.